Hi there, students. Nasty, an adjective. Nastily, the adverb. You could also use nasty as a noun, a nasty. Let's see, this word is quite simple, but in English we use it for all sorts of things, and it's a word that I don't hear students using. If something's nasty, it's unpleasant. So there was a nasty smell coming from the drain. Yeah, there was a nasty smell coming from the rubbish. Yeah, unpleasant, wet and cold. There was nasty weather. I wouldn't go outside. It's pretty nasty out there. If something's morally offensive, it's rather indecent. He told some rather nasty jokes. Yeah, the film was pretty nasty. Or something that annoys you. So he had the nasty habit of always picking his nose. Ugh. Somebody can be nasty, they can be unpleasant, they can behave badly. The kids were being nasty to each other. Yeah, this guy's a nasty piece of work. He's mean, he's spiteful, he's an unpleasant guy. If something's painful, if something's dangerous, if it's serious, yeah, he had a rather nasty illness. That looks like a rather nasty cut, yeah. He had a rather nasty accident and ended up in hospital, yeah. If something's very difficult to deal with, or it's very difficult to resolve, this is a rather nasty conundrum. Yeah, it's a rather nasty problem, and it's not very easy to solve. Okay, so we're using it as unpleasant, but in all sorts of different collocations. Okay, but all of these examples I've given you are nasty as an adjective. So, a nasty, something that is unpleasant, something that's dangerous. So, they discovered that the company was pouring mercury and other nasties into the river. Okay, other poisonous chemicals. Okay, this video's a nasty. Yeah, you could even say a video nasty. It's horrible. It's rather repugnant. Okay, so a nasty. And then I guess this guy is a nasty piece of work. He's unpleasant. I wouldn't trust him. Yeah, this is not a good person to be with. This question's a nasty one. This is a nasty problem. It's awkward, it's difficult, it's problematic. Okay, so nasty, we use it in all sorts of different ways. Disgustingly filthy. Yeah, the bathroom was really rather nasty. Yeah, the toilet smelled pretty nasty, and I wasn't very happy about using it. This left a nasty taste in my mouth. He's always swearing. He uses such nasty language. Yeah, something that's dangerous, that could cause an accident. So this is a rather nasty piece of road. Yeah, to climb this piece is rather nasty. Yeah, something that's painful. Yeah, a nasty cut. He suffered a nasty fall. Yeah, there was a very nasty rainstorm, very unpleasant. Yeah, difficult to deal with. The bowler bowled a nasty delivery at the batsman. I've got this nasty suspicion that something is wrong. So it makes you feel worried. It worries you psychologically. Or something that is not sportsmanlike, not gentlemanly. He played a very nasty trick. Yeah. That was a very nasty foul. Yeah. Okay, so it wasn't really very gentlemanly. Okay, so, wow, That's quite a lot. Something that's unpleasant to see, to experience, to feel. Yeah. Okay, or a person who's unkind and unpleasant, or a nasty taste. Yeah, or he lived in a rather nasty little flat. Yeah, unattractive, undesirable. That suit is rather nasty. A nasty difficulty, a nasty situation is difficult to deal with. A nasty cut or a nasty wound, yeah, quite serious. It looks quite unpleasant. And then nasties, unpleasant things, harmful people, poisons, things like that. Okay, so nasty. Yeah, he swore nastily. This tastes nasty. The problem is taste doesn't take an adverb. So a nasty accident, a nasty dog bite. He's got a nasty bruise. Yeah. He's got a nasty cold. Yeah, that looks like quite a nasty burn. Rather nasty pollutants. He made a very unpleasant, nasty comment. Yeah, that was a rather nasty fall. I'm worried you might have hurt yourself. Okay, so nasty, we use it in so many different ways. Yeah, and that's why it's a good word for you to be able to use easily. Yeah, that was a nasty trick. Yeah, he has a rather nasty little secret hidden away. Okay, so nasty, formality. I think I would give it 5 in formality, use anywhere. I think as a noun, a nasty, this is quite informal, 3.5 in formality. And then he's a nasty piece of work, 3.5, 4 in formality. As to origin, there are various different theories, or there are actually 2 different theories, not various ones. Let's see. It may be related to a Old Norse word, nask, meaning nasty or unpleasant. It may be come from an old French word, nastre, meaning bad or strange. Yeah. There are. It also may come from a 19th century politician. He's an American, Thomas Nast. And maybe he wasn't a very pleasant character. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope it wasn't too nasty. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nasty.